Unlock your dream body with the 10-day pink salt challenge. They told you pink salt is just fancy table salt. But here's the truth no one shares. Used the right way, this mineral-rich salt could actually help your body drop stubborn weight, boost digestion, and even flatten that bloated belly. And in the next few minutes, I'll show you exactly how to use pink salt for 10 days to unlock changes you'll see and feel. Most people try to lose weight with endless crunches, skipping meals, or running on a treadmill they secretly hate. But your body doesn't only respond to workouts, it responds to chemistry. And sometimes, the tiniest change in your routine makes the biggest difference. That's why the 10-day pink salt challenge has been blowing people's minds. Stay with me, because by the end, you'll know exactly how to start this simple challenge at home. Here's the issue. Our modern diets are overloaded with processed salt, the kind stripped of minerals, bleached, and often mixed with chemicals to stop it from clumping. This type of salt doesn't help your body. In fact, it can trigger water retention, bloating, and even make your body hold on to fat. No wonder so many people feel stuck. But pink Himalayan salt? That's completely different. It contains over 80 trace minerals like magnesium, potassium, and calcium that your body actually craves. These minerals don't just sit in your system. They support hydration, help balance pH levels, and improve digestion. And when digestion improves, your body starts to release that heavy, stubborn fat you thought would never go away. Before I show you how to do this, hit like so more people stop wasting time on gimmicks and actually discover natural solutions that work. So, how does the 10-day pink salt challenge work? It's surprisingly simple. Each morning, before you eat anything, you'll drink what's called a soul water. Here's how you make it. Take a glass jar. Add about 1/3 pink Himalayan salt chunks or crystals. Fill the rest with clean filtered water. Let it sit overnight. By the next morning, the water will be fully saturated with minerals. That's your soul. Now, each day, you'll take 1 teaspoon of this soul water, mix it into a regular glass of water, and drink it on an empty stomach. Sounds almost too easy, right? But here's the thing. This tiny step can do 3 huge things for your body. But here's something important. If you use too much of it, it can actually backfire. I'll tell you what to avoid in a moment. But first, let me show you the real benefits. 1. Kickstarts metabolism. Those minerals tell your body to wake up and start burning fuel. 2. Flushes toxins. It acts like a gentle internal cleanse, helping your liver and kidneys release waste. 3. Balances fluids. Instead of holding water and looking puffy, your body starts to let go of excess water weight. Let's say you usually wake up feeling sluggish, maybe even with a heavy stomach. After just a few mornings on soul water, people report feeling lighter, more awake, and yes, less bloated. But here's where it gets interesting. Around day 5, most people notice something unexpected. Their cravings, especially for salty snacks and junk food, start to fade. Why? Because your body is finally getting the minerals it was begging for. When your body's needs are met, those late-night cravings almost disappear on their own. If this is surprising so far, drop a quick comment saying "salt" so I know you're with me, and to let me know you're serious about trying this challenge. By the end of 10 days, the results can be shocking. Some people lose 4 to 6 pounds without changing their workouts. Others notice their skin looks clearer or their digestion feels smoother. Imagine standing in front of the mirror and realizing your stomach looks flatter. Not because you starved yourself, but because your body is finally working with you, not against you. When your body has the right minerals, it stops holding on to the wrong weight. Of course, it's not magic. If you're eating fast food every night, pink salt won't undo that. But when combined with balanced meals, more whole foods, fruits, and veggies, the challenge amplifies results. So let's recap the 10-day pink salt challenge. Prepare your soul water overnight. Drink 1 teaspoon mixed into a glass of water each morning on an empty stomach. Stick with it for 10 days. support it with clean eating and light movement like walking or stretching. And remember, stick to just 1 teaspoon a day. More isn't better. In fact, overdoing it can stress your system. In just a week and a half, you could notice better energy, fewer cravings, less bloating, and maybe even a number shift on the scale. If you're ready to try something natural that actually works, start the challenge tomorrow morning. And if you found this helpful, hit subscribe, because I'll be sharing more simple, holistic hacks that help you look and feel your best without crazy diets or endless workouts. Drop a comment below if you're starting the challenge. I'd love to hear your results.